Hey friends, if you wish to make emails go to a specific folder automatically using Gmail, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So we have folders like promotion folder, social folder, primary folder. Let's say I want any email from Google One, the entire domain to go to the social folder directly. So I will check the box associated with it. Then I click on more and I click on filter messages like these. And then I will select the folder. Okay. And then it will be like mark it as red and then forward it to categorize it as, let's say I wanted to in the socials folder, I will categorize it as socials and then I will create the filter. Now any email that comes further from Google One will go to the social folder directly. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.